My name is Ashley Scicente, and I'm a professional boxer. So diet and lifestyle are really important to me. Of course, being a professional boxer, I need to make sure that I'm eating right, eating clean. So what I put in my body is pretty important. Most important thing is just how I feel. Any protein powder that I've either had or tried, I don't know, I never stuck with it. When I first tried Green Regimen, the first thing I noticed was the difference in how I felt. Other protein powders, when I drink them, I'm feeling sluggish and heavy, bloated. But with Green Regimen, I didn't feel any of that. But using it as a meal replacement, in the mornings, kind of mix it with my fruits and throw a little bit of almond milk in there. It was really good, number one. And number two, kept me full all the way through until lunch. The other thing I noticed too was the flavor. I didn't have a chalky taste. I wasn't just trying to chug it down like I do my other protein drinks. If you look at other protein drinks, the sugars are way up there and the flavor is still not that good. So that was definitely surprised me a lot after I tried it and then looked at the ingredients.